everyone, it's Ariana, and today I'm going to show you how to make these majestic cauliflower wings with a honey and sriracha glaze. First, we're going to add a cup of buttermilk or buttermilk substitute to a bowl, and season it up with some garlic powder, salt, and white or black pepper. To this mixture, we're going to dump in 2 cups of cauliflower florets, stir it around, and then set it aside while we make the coating. Start with a 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, baking powder, salt, pepper, paprika, dried thyme, and garlic powder, and whisk it all up until it's nice and combined. Then toss the cauliflower in there. I like to bake the cauliflower in the oven at 425 for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway. To make the glaze, I add a drizzle of sriracha, honey, sesame oil, and the juice of half a lemon, and whisk it all up. You can also substitute this glaze for whatever sauce you like. Now coat those babies in the sauce, making sure it's nice and distributed, and transfer it to a bowl. Look at that. Oh, my mouth is watering just thinking about it. I like to top them off with some fresh basil from the garden and some sesame seeds.